How to fork a Lovable project. So by forking, we're actually containing to the context of Lovable.dev, creating a copy of its project and connecting it to our GitHub. So in order to do this, first head over to Lovable and then locating here the actual project that you want to fork. For example, I have in here this Whiskers and Wisdom. Head over and click onto that particular project. Once you have done that, you should be able to open it. Now, the great thing about Lovable is you can directly integrate it already on your GitHub. To do that, click onto this GitHub icon that you can see in order to sync your projects. Now, click onto this Connect GitHub option that we can see. And after that, this will open this. So if you already have a connected GitHub account like I do, you can just click onto this Connect project. But if you don't have one yet, you should be able to see in here an option to log in or sign up for one. In my case, let's click on the Disconnect Project option. Choose in here your GitHub organization. Then this will connect it through there. And once you have done that, it's now successfully connected, which means that it's now forked and you can now modify and experiment with the code without affecting the original project if you would want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.